Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will make a revise on Connect Plus in 2 videos. I will make a revise. This revise, it will be in 2 videos like Discover. But before I will go to the I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today, I will start from Unit 1. From Unit 1, it will be today. It will be revised on Unit 1, 2, 3. Next class, I will revise Unit 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I have 6 units. Today it will be revised on 3 units. Next video, I will make a revise on the rest of the units. Here we have vocab. We took it here in this part, like trick, sports events. We know this during learning this unit. Compete and competition. This is compete and competition. Competition is noun and compete is verb. We have distance. This is called distance. Throw and throwing. Middle, measure, raise, win, wear, winner. Here we have come second, support a friend, try harder, do exercise. Here we have do exercise, warm up, worried about. Here is the expression which is warm up, worried about, record. Here we have how with many expressions. How often, to ask about the times. How far, to ask about distance. How fast, to ask also about distance. Long, how long, and so on. Here we have some rules we learned during this lesson. My rules to be a good friend. This is what's the rules that we do to be a good friend. Never make fun of your friend. Isn't kind to laugh at people. So it will be never make fun for your friends. Never tell your friends secrets to other. Spread remorse about friends is very bad behavior. Never pressure your friend to do something he or she doesn't want it to do it. Okay, don't make a pressure on your friend to make him or her or his do it without want to doing. Okay, listen to your friend ideas. Support your friend. If you make your friend said it's good to apologize, saying sorry. It's important. It's important. Have fun together. Here is we have think and say. Here is I like jumping, I like throwing. So here we have like plus the ing form. This is called what? This is called gerund. Here we have like plus ing form called gerund. Okay, I think we know this during the lesson. Like this, I like playing. So here playing, reading, and so on. Okay. In this unit, we talk about what? About the simple tense, the future simple tense, and we use here in this part, we use will plus infinitive in the affirmative form, want plus infinitive in the negative form. Here we have I will travel, I want to travel. When we ask, when we make a question form, we say will I or will she, anything. So in modern English, we use will with he, she, it only. But now this is in Old English. In modern English, will with you we use with all pronouns from I till he, she, it, and so on. Okay, so will used for all pronouns. Here, this called will we write it like this. It's called abbreviation, like this abbreviation. When we say I will, or I can write it as it is or as it is. Both are correct. This is called abbreviation. We have won't. Okay. When we make a short answer, we say yes, I, or yes, I, we, you, they, he, she, it will, or no, I, he, we, you, they, he, she, it won't. Okay. The keywords of the future tense, let's know it together. Next, tomorrow, in the future. Next, tomorrow, in the future. Next, any period of time. Next week, next month, next year, next week, and so on. In this unit, we talk about what? We talk about comparative form and superlative form, and we know altogether the comparative form. When we use a comparative form, when I use the superlative form, I know the comparative form by adding er to the adjective like this. Adjective plus er, and then in the superlative form we use the plus est like this. When we say the biggest animal, so here is the superlative form I can know it by the in the we can use the in one syllable adjective and more than one syllable adjective. We use but in the more than one adjective we use the most and write the adjective. Here we have the adjective is one syllable. We use the plus the est to the adjective like this. We say the biggest or say the tallest. Okay, like this in on the behind you. Okay. Here in this part, we talk about conjunctions, which is and to join two sentences. When you say, I like jumping and throwing, so I add something to something. Or we use to choice. I don't like jumping or throwing, but use to contrast. We have a negative affirmative sentence, and another part is not is negative form like this. When we say, I like running, but I don't very fast. So to choose the result of something, like what? When we say he has a race next week, so he trains every day. So here we say I have a race next year, so he trains every day. Okay, here I give you the result why he training, why he trains, why he trains every day. Trains every day because he has a race. If we say we use because, but here we have a result. He has a race next week, so he trains every day. Because to choose the cause of something, it's hard to run today. Why? Because it's hot. So here I give the reason why it's hard to run today. Here we have the phonics with busy bee. Let's learn the phonics with busy bee by pronounce letter S and letter K. Here we have city, center, cycle. City, center, and cycle. Here we have cold, cut, music. Cold, cut, music. And we have a pronounced K also, which is in what? In word Kate. Okay, and the word Kate. Okay, let's go to another to the exercise. Depend on this. Dina can space the ball 8.5 meters. Can do what? Can throw your clever pupils. Some athletes, the race, some athletes, it will be compete your clever pupils. Pays for telling my secret. He apologized. Never make fun your clever pupils. Who win the medal your clever pupils. Never spread rumors with each other. Let's go to another to the next word, to our next question. Who will be the? Here we have that. So as we know, the superlative form, as we learned during the lesson, what can I put it? What can I do when I use a superlative form? I put est to the adjective like this. So it will be who will be the fastest, your clever pupils. I will, as we told you before, that will must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. If you say, Miss Iman, I put both here. We have will, and I put both here. What can I do? Here is will both. If we have will both, what can I do? It will be 0. It will be 0. I will repeat it million and million times. Why? Because will must be followed by what? As we know that will must be followed by what? By the infinitive of the verb. Because it's what? Because will here is models, and the models must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. There is the fastest. I like jumping your clever pupils. Why jumping? Because like here, as we know during the lesson, that must be followed by what? By gerund. It's called gerund. Okay. Let's go to another one. Jack jumped space then. We have here then. So we use higher. Why higher? Because we have here then. So this is the correct way. I don't like ice cream space cake. I don't like ice cream or cake. I do sports twice a week. Here we have it twice. So as we know, during we learn the simple tense form, we use what? How often? She played piano space. She couldn't sing. She played piano, but she couldn't sing. It's called today. I will wear my coat. So it was. So I. This is the result. it's cold today, so I will wear my coat. When we say I will wear my, when we say I will wear my coat because it's cold. So here I give you the reason. But here we have it's cold today, so so means here that I give you the reason that I wear, that it's cold today, so I will wear my coat. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise depend on this one. As we told you before that, here we have the subject, verb, object. Okay, what can I do this? Here is the statement that when I make a question form, I can replace or make a scissor by replacing the verb instead of what, instead of subject. Let's do this exercise together. I answered 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here it will be a good competition. 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 So here in this what I can do it here. Here we have, I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. It will be what? Who will be happy tomorrow? Who will be? I hope all to be happy. I hope all to be happy. Who will be happy tomorrow? After you after you pass the exam, you will be happy after you pass the exam. Who will be happy tomorrow? And to spend a happy vacation in mid-year, in the happy mid-year vacation. Okay. Who will be happy tomorrow? Remorse, friend, yours, spread about. So here it will be never. Never. It will be never. Never spread. Never spread. Remorse about yours. Never spread. Remorse about your friends. Okay, it will be not yours. It will be your friends. It will be never spread remorse about your friends. About your friends. About your friends. Here we have the S in the friends, not in yours. About your friends. About your friends. We have a mistake here. The S in friends, not in yours. I have a stop here. Let's go to another question here. Here we have, it's cold, I will wear my coat. So the answer here, it will, I will, I will, it's cold, so I will wear my coat. So so I make here, so it will be, it's cold, so it will be, it's cold, so I will wear my coat. It's cold, so I will wear my coat. Not here, it will be what? It will be won't. I will write the correct sentence, and you can complete the rest of the sentence. Here it will be he won't, and continue the rest of the of the sentence. Here we have ask a question. It will be, will Ali go? It will be, will Ali go to the park? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. So will Ali go to the park? And I put, don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence, okay? Because it's half mark, minus half mark directly, okay? Let's go to another one. Here we have, it's a middle. So I think I write it here, it's middle. There is some, there are some atlas in the trach, here is trach. This is the copy, means to write the sentence as it is. It's handwriting, okay? Let's go to the next unit. Unit 2, body matters. Let's know more about this topic. Here we have heart, beat, blood, grow, veins. Here's veins, pump, arteries, trunk, oxygen, interesting, nutrients, skeleton. The rest, it will be here the rest, gas, living organism, chicken, and liquid. Here we have our skeleton concept. We have bones, helmet, muscles, wear, attack, chow, elbow. This is called elbow. This part is called elbow. Protect, knee, left, jaw, dance, train, park, skull. This is skull. Climb, ripe, here is ripe, knee pad. This is, you use it if we have a problem in your knee, we use knee pad. We have rock, we have ripe, sunglasses. Here we have cold and hot, the opposite. Layer, we have dirt, grams. We have get through, sunscreen, stomach, damage, teeth, top, skin, middle, and bottom. Here we have the note. We use muscles. We use muscles what? When you chow food to move, the jaw bone up and down. Jaw bone up and down. So here we use muscles. Our elbow is in our arm. We need muscles. What is the function of muscles? I explained, discover, and we know that the bones and muscles share each other to help us what? To help us to move. So here to move the bones. Our knee is our leg. Skull protects brain and what? And eyes. Bones protect soft organ. Bones protect soft organs. Okay. In this part, we talk about be going to. Here is called this tense called present continuous expressing future. Called what? Grade 3. I would like to listen you. Present continuous expressing future. Why I use aim is R plus verb, aim is R, going to, so, and use the infinitive form. Means use present continuous sentence to express the future like this. I'm going to wear a helmet, or I'm going to read this book, or I'm going to study my lessons, or I'm going to travel with my family, or I'm going to visit my great parents. So here is means something that I will do it in the future. Okay. So here am is R plus verb plus going to plus the infinitive form. Here we use the negative of this part. In this part, we use the verb to be in the negative, like this. Am not, isn't, aren't. This is called abbreviation. Can write it as it is, or can write not as we know it. Okay, both are correct. Okay. So the keywords of this tense, it will be tonight, today, and tomorrow. Tonight and today, tomorrow. Here we use the present simple tense. I think I explained this this tense several times, not one time, several times. And I have basic lessons on this tense. You can return to the videos and revise what I told, but here I told it again. The present continuous tense used, the present, not present continuous, present simple. Present simple tense used what? To expressing facts and habits. What I can know by adding s to the verb like this. We say in the plural, in the singular. Plural can take s, okay? The singular take s like this, likes, washes, he, she, it takes us, and you, we, they, I don't take S. Okay, we use doesn't, does, and doesn't in the negative form and in the question form. Okay, we use does, and when we use does, I return the verb to the stream. Okay, so I would like to know the keywords of this tense. It will be every day, week, every day or week or month, every in the general, and to have ever, always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Okay. Always means the habit is happened in how many percent? In 100%. Never, the habit can't be happened. Okay, can't be happened. Okay, so here is 0% and here is 100%. Here we have the phonics about pronounced double O and double O in wrong phonetics, and short phonetics we use double O. Like we say mood, when we say mood, food, moon, room, mood, food, moon, and room. Here we have book, cook, good, book, cook, good. So here is the difference between the wrong pronunciation and the short pronunciation. Mood, food, moon, and room. Book, cook, good. Let's answer the question the activity related on this unit. The skeleton helps us move and makes us what? And makes us strong. So I select this one, our clever pupils. We need space to breathe. We all of us, we can't live without what? Without oxygen. We know this. Okay, we will take it in science next year. I hope to have a brief about this information. The space is in my arm. Which one is my arm? Elbow. The space helps break down food. Which one breaks down food? Saliva. Saliva. Here, this one. Our space is the largest organ, to be what? Skin. Bones are space, are hard. When we space food, it goes to our stomach. When we swallow food. Let's do this grammar about going to. He is going to where? Excellent. Our space are you. Here it will be are because pronoun you takes R. She doesn't, space, here doesn't, and as we told you before, that doesn't means I put the verb in the scheme form, like what? Watch. The space going to climb the mountain tomorrow. So it will be they are. What we can say, some of you think, Miss Iman, we use the future, we use will. No, here we can't use will. Why? Because this, as we told you, that is called present continuous tense. Expressing what? Expressing a future. So we must select what? Select are. So it will be they are going to climb the mountain tomorrow. Laura is going to, without thinking, our clever pupils. Here she wash her dress. Does, your clever people? Why does? Because he wash in the steam, and we use does. She stays late. It will be she. She is often. It will be she is often late. He stays. He always. Tomorrow. Yesterday. Does his homework after school. So it will be what? He always. It will be always, not tomorrow, because tomorrow expressing the future and yesterday expressing what? Past. So here it's the answer, the suitable answer, it will be always. Let's go to another one here. There is subject plus verb object. You can say, Miss Iman, you are boring from this rule. I know that you are boring. I'm bored also. Okay, but this rule must be written when we answer this question. It's important to write it. So the answer here, it will be what? It will be my dad. This is the subject. My dad is going to buy a car. My dad, congratulations. My dad is going. My dad is going to buy. Is going to buy. I think that now the car is too expensive to buy a car now. My dad is going to buy a car. Let's go to another one, to another sentence. To be, Here is a question form. As we told you before that when we make a question form, what can I do? I can replace what? I can replace the verb instead of subject or make Caesar, as your teachers in your classroom saying before. Okay, it will be is she going to the mall? Is she going? Is she going to the mall? Is she going to the mall? To the mall? Is going to the mall? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's continue the rest of the exercise related to this part. Here we have it. What can I do this sentence? I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here would be it will be Ali doesn't. Why doesn't here, Miss Iman? Because as we told you, have an S, so I put here doesn't. Doesn't. So here it will be doesn't. Ali doesn't, and I put here Ali here doesn't. It doesn't, and I put read at the infinitive form in this or the steam. Okay, put the read at in the steam. So Ali doesn't read. So I will return the verb to the steam. Here is not. So the answer to be they. To be they don't feel. To be here they don't. Why don't here? Because as we told you that they are you we take don't feel. I will answer this in order and you can do it by yourself. Here it will be does Iyad like cola? It will be here as a question. Malak, here is Malak, Mona and Malak. Mona and Malak, it will be what? I will write Mona and Malak and I write are here. I will replace is with what? With are, because it's plural. I replace is with are. Okay, let's continue the rest of the unit, of the exercise. Here we have, I'm going to what? I'm going to ride a bike. To ride a bike. I'm going to ride a bike. This one is I'm going to ride a bike. To ride a bike. Here is I never skip breakfast. I never skip breakfast. Okay. And I put full stop at the end of the. Let's go to another one. Here we have unit 3 here. Let's read the vocabulary related to this part. Here we have a vitamin, serving, canned, jars, fiber, sodium, invent, balance, enough, find out, minerals, too much, organize, carbohydrate, percent, appointment, thrill, decide, patient, patient, protein, serving size, career, dairy, fruit, calories, zip foods. This is called zip foods. Okay, calcium, preserve, ceramic food. Ceramic food. This is called ceramic food. Fates, chocolate, brownie. This is called chocolate brownie. Toxins. This is called toxins. Olive oil, dried fruit bar, electricity. Dehydrated, this is called dehydrated. I think dehydrated, know it during we learn in Discover. Dehydrated, smoked meat, took out. Hydrated, this hydrated, drying, sweet. Here we have joints, the bones that connected our bones. This is this called joints. This called joints. This is part of our body. Temperature. Let's go to another one here. Here we have in this part we talk about what? We talk about advice by using what? By using should. Here we have, you should drink milk. You shouldn't drink cola. When we make a question, we make a question by like this, okay? Should he eat healthy food or should he drink milk? So here we make the make the question by making what? Making scissor, as we know it. Let's know the phonics here. Phonics chin, like vacation, celebration, pollution, section, station, fiction, option, vibration, digestion. Let's do the activities related to Unit 3. Today, I will make a revise in Unit 3. Next video, I will make revise from 3 till the end of the, from Unit 4 till the end of the book. But today, it will be on Unit 3 because I don't want to make the video longer more than this, okay? Candies and cookies contain lots of what? Candies and cookies. Contains a lot of what? Lot of sugar. Here is lot of sugar. Yes, lots of sugar. Space is the amount of energy that is the amount of energy in food. It will be calories. Protein makes us what? Makes us strong. Plants get water from what? From the soil. From soil, okay? Our bodies need vitamins and what? Need vitamins and minerals. We need space to store food in fridge. Electricity. When we dry food, we take out space and keep the nutrients. We take out what? Take out what? Water. Take out water and keep the nutrients, okay? Here we have, use space, do exercise every day. Here it will be, you should. You shouldn't eat lots of sugar. Should I eat should I eat candies every day? No, you shouldn't. Should I drink water? Yes, you should. Yes, you should. It will be yes, you should. You shouldn't, can't have a healthy diet. You should have a, should I drink lots of cola? No, you shouldn't. No, you shouldn't. No, you shouldn't. No, I shouldn't. So to be, no, I shouldn't. They should what? They should sleep. It will be we should, and we must followed by what? By the infinitive form. Let's do this exercise. Subject plus verb plus object. You can say, Miss Iman, you are boring. I think you are boring and I'm bored, but it's important to write it. Here it will be I, the subject. What is the verb? Have a healthy diet. I have a healthy diet. To be I have a healthy diet. Yeah, I have a healthy diet. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. You here eat every day. We shouldn't pasta. We shouldn't eat pasta. Shouldn't eat pasta every day. You shouldn't eat pasta every day. You shouldn't eat pasta every day. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Here is, you have a question. So what can I do? I do what? I replace the verb instead of subject, as we know, or make a scissor, as we know from your teacher. So it will be, how do you get water? How do plants? It will be, how do plants get water? How do plants get water? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. So it could be, how do plant get water? Okay, Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have, it will be here what? Let's do it together. Here we have, yes, I should drink enough water. So I use should. So you should use should as a question. So it would be should I? It would be should I drink enough water? Should I will make it here. Should I drink enough water? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Here you have sleeping for only 5 hours is unhealthy. So it will be shouldn't. So I will say you shouldn't. It will be you shouldn't. You shouldn't sleep. You shouldn't. To be here, you shouldn't sleep. You shouldn't sleep. To be, you shouldn't sleep. And I continue the rest of the sentence. And continue the rest of the sentence. You shouldn't sleep. And continue the rest of the sentence. Unhealthy. You should have a healthy food. So it will be make a negative. You should have unhealthy food. You shouldn't have unhealthy food. It will be the opposite, okay? Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have, you should, here you should what? You should eat healthy food. You should eat, to be here, you should eat healthy food. Healthy, to be healthy food. Healthy food, to be healthy food. Okay. Well, there is space in eggs and milk. There is space in eggs and milk. There is calcium. There is calcium. It will be calcium. Okay, calcium. All of us need the calcium. Okay, there is the calcium. There is a calcium in eggs and milk. Here is by this unit we revise theme 1, units 1, 2, and 3. Next video I will revise theme 2, unit 4, 5, and 6. I hope to benefit from this video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.